Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money using print on demand. Print on demand is a great way to make money online without having to invest in inventory or shipping. All you need to do is create designs, upload them to a print on demand platform, and start selling. What is print on demand? Print on demand is a business model where you don't have to keep any inventory. When a customer places an order, the print-on-demand company prints the product and ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't have to worry about storing products, packing orders, or shipping products. How to make money with print-on-demand? There are a few different ways to make money with print-on-demand. You can 1. Sell your own designs. If you're a creative person, you can create your own designs and sell them on print-on-demand platforms. 2. Sell other people's designs. You can also find popular designs on websites like Creative Market and sell them on print-on-demand platforms. 3. Promote other people's products. You can also promote other people's products on your website or social media channels and earn a commission on each sale. There are many websites where you can start print on demand. Here are a few of the most popular. 1. Printify. Printify is a print on demand platform that connects you with a network of suppliers. You can create and sell products on a variety of print-on-demand items, including t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. 2. Printful. Printful is another popular print-on-demand platform. It offers a wide range of products and printing options, and it's easy to set up and use. 3. Redbubble. Redbubble is a marketplace where you can sell your own designs on a variety of products. You don't have to worry about printing or shipping, as Redbubble takes care of that for you. 4. Society6. Society6 is another marketplace where you can sell your own designs on a variety of products. It's similar to Redbubble, but it offers a slightly different commission structure. When choosing a print-on-demand platform, it's important to consider the following factors. 1. Products offered. Make sure the platform offers the products you want to sell. 2. Prices. Compare the prices of the different platforms. 3. Printing quality. Make sure the platform has high printing quality standards. 4. Ease of use. The platform should be easy to set up and use. 5. Customer support. Make sure the platform has good customer support in case you have any problems. Once you've chosen a print-on-demand platform, you can start creating and selling your own products. With a little effort, you can start making money with print-on-demand today. Benefits of print-on-demand. There are a few benefits to using print-on-demand. 1. Low startup costs. You don't need to invest in inventory or shipping, so your startup costs are low. 2. No need for experience. You don't need any experience in design, printing, or shipping to get started. 3. Easy to scale. Once you start to generate sales, you can easily scale your business by creating more designs or promoting your products more aggressively. Drawbacks of print on demand. There are a few drawbacks to using print on demand. 1. Low margins. The profit margins on print on demand products are typically low. 2. Competition. There is a lot of competition in the print on demand market. 3. Quality control. It's important to make sure that the print on demand company you choose has high quality standards. Conclusion. Print on demand is a great way to make money online without having to invest in inventory or shipping. If you're creative and have a good eye for design, you can create your own designs and sell them on print on demand platforms. If you're not a creative person, you can also find popular designs on websites like Creative Market and sell them on print on demand platforms. No matter how you choose to make money with print on demand, it's important to do your research and choose a print on demand company that has high quality standards. With a little effort, you can start making money with print on demand today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.